You might be wondering, while I have a beautiful view like this, why am I yapping about chain clean and lube? 2 years in a row to the Namikala top. The 2,753 kilometers away from Mumbai, riding all the way to the Kharurla Pass. We've made it. This is the Kharurla Pass. Ready for the great reveal? Yeah, baby! That is Pangam at its full glory. After riding more than 3,500 kilometers from Mumbai, we are at the top of the Motorable Road, the Umlingla Pass. Woo! Made it! Whew. All right. Welcome to day one of the Ladakh expedition. It's almost 6 in the morning. I left around 5:30, fueled up, and I've currently reached Majiwada Thane, where I'm catching up with Tejas, who's also joining us for this ride. Couldn't get myself recording early in the morning or while packing because, oh my god, so much anxiety. And I'm still anxious, but just because I'm recording, I'll try not to show it. But yeah, it's been very difficult. I could not get my feet out of my house. But yes, here we are. We've started. And I don't think Tejas is here yet. Or even if he is, I wouldn't know. What a lovely day. It had rained, that is why I have the rain gear on. But it's clear here right now. Beautiful roads, beautiful views. And a very good riding partner. That's what makes a ride beautiful. In 1500 meters, there's a Maharashtra checkpost coming up, which means we are crossing Maharashtra. It's gonna be the first state border crossing that we are doing today. So at a state border crossing, all the trucks have to go from the left. They have a separate checkpost on the left for all the trucks. It's a very big terminal, so that's why there are a lot of trucks. And this is Mumbai-Gujarat highway. It's a very busy highway anyway. So the truck terminal may not be visible right now, but on the right side you can see a bunch of blue pyramids. So that is the same truck terminal for the other side. And here we go, checkpost. Do we get stopped? If we do, I'm recording. We shouldn't, but let's see. Nope, not getting stopped at this border today. Great success. That is the Maharashtra checkpost done. Now we are in interstate territory. Does he do it? Does he do it? He goes for it. Gujarat guys told me that the roads were nice. कौन सा nice road है भाई ये? And this is not just now. This has been since we crossed the border. मतलब, see, if Gujarat and Rajasthan border is like this butter smooth. Okay, this road is very good. I appreciate this. But what we have been coming through, oh my god, so many puddles. It reminded me of Dombivli like 10 years ago, where there were no roads, only puddles. This is like pre-Ladakh training. गुजरात भाई, ये तुम्हारे रास्ते हैं. आई वुड बी वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड अगर आगे चल के इसको कॉम्पनसेट करने जितने अच्छे रोड्स नहीं मिले तो. बिकॉज ये क्या है भाई, भिवंडी में आया वैसा लग रहा है मेरे को. वेलकम टू नर्मदा ब्रिज. सस्ता सीलिंग है जहाँ पे बाइक अलाउड है. भाई ये गुज्जू ड्राइवर्स को समझना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. वाह, ब्यूटीफुल, व्हाट अ वेदर. कमिंग बैक टू द गुज्जू ड्राइवर्स. सुबह से जब से गुजरात एंटर किया है, इतने सीन हुए, इतने सीन, सो मेनी नियर मिस. एंड ये ऐसे रोड्स भाई साहब, ऑन वन हैंड दे हैव बटर एज स्मूथ रोड्स, लाइक बटर स्मूथ, and then just at the end of that is this, and then drivers like these. माँ कसम भाई, आई अंडरस्टैंड तुझे भी खड्डे में नहीं जाना है, लेकिन ऐसे थोड़ी ना करेगा भाई, पहले से जज करना. स्टार्टिंग अगेन आफ्टर अ क्विक रूट डिस्कशन एंड आई वाज वेरी टेरिफाइड बाय सीइंग दिस इंडियन फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन. Another one, but hopefully we are safe today. For all my Marathi audience, आम्ही निघायच्या आधी नारळ फोडलेला. Boarding once again. This time because we are off the main highway. This is a state highway. But one second. Look at the beautiful sunset. What a sunset. Beautiful. वो कहते हैं ना, एडवेंचर की भी हद होती है. वेल, चले. बॉयज़ एडवेंचर की कोई हद नहीं होती. पता नहीं गुजरात के कौन से कोने में है हम. खराब रास्ते, सुनसान पेट्रोल पंप, रास्ते पे हम और 2-4 गाड़ियाँ. अगर तुमने जवानी में एडवेंचर नहीं किया तो क्या किया? जब तक तुम किसी लापता शहर के लापता सुनसान गलियों में गुम नहीं हो जाते, तुम्हारी फटके हाथ में नहीं आती, तब तक घंटा एडवेंचर किया तुमने. बट अगेन आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से, बिकॉज on such roads, on such dark nights and under my own lights, I sometimes go into rally mode. And when I go into rally mode, I stop talking. But the Triumph Scrambler 400, such a beautiful machine, so much capability. I mean, I've been riding this bike for more than a year. It's been nearly a year and a half, and this bike still surprises me. It still entertains me. So much fun. And again, I'm going on this road for the very first time, so I don't even know what and where the potholes are. I'm just winging it. I'm not even in my own state. I'm in Gujarat right now. This guy is a local. He hasn't been rally trained. So haven't I. बट वो कहते हैं ना, गांड में कीड़ा है मेरे पास. और ये जो पीछे से लाइट मार रहा है तेजस, उसके पास भी है. दैट इज द रीज़न व्हाई वी आर ऑन दिस रोड. बिकॉज हम दोनों के गांड में जो कीड़े हैं वो भी दोस्त है. ओहो, बच गए. बच गए गुरु. ओके, रैली मोड बंद करते हैं. आज के लिए बहुत हो गया. 2 बार बचे भाई. सो डन विद डिनर. It's 10:45 at the night and we are on the Modasa Udaipur highway. We just had our dinner in Modasa and now we are heading to Udaipur. It says 2 hours 50 minutes here on the map, but we're sure we can cut that down by, let's say, half an hour. So the ETA currently is 1:33 and we are planning to be there by 1. I asked around a few people. I asked the locals for the highway. How's the highway? How are the people? Is it safe to ride at night? And the locals said, yeah, it's safe, but with an asterisk. Because the asterisk says, they said there's some ghat in the road, but I am not very concerned with that because again, I hail from Mumbai. I ride at nights and Kasara Ghat is my bitch, so not worried about the ghats. What I am worried about is people. So there is a lore. That's not a lore, it's a thing happening with people. So there would be a lot of loot during the nights. People would be there just blocking the road. They'll completely block you off, take everything from you, and again poses a very big threat to your life as well. And especially since the road has gone dark, this is their opportunity. But good for us, we've got lights. Yeah, it's not complete daylight, but again, I feel like these lights are enough. I'm not going super fast anyway. So for the speeds I do at night, which is like basically 70, 80, these lights are good enough. So yeah, see you guys at the hotel. Welcome to Rajasthan. पधारो हमारे देश. चलो जी, वेलकम टू राजस्थान. हमारे देश पधार लिए. This state border road is a very, very good road, by the way. Welcome to Rajasthan. It's my first time here. Like, first time in the state actually. Rest every single time I've been in Rajasthan is through the Rajdhani train, but never got off. Just passing by. But this time we're staying here. We will be spending some time in Rajasthan. फिलहाल तो रात है, कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. And we also have to get to our hotel. It's 11:30. Still 2 hours to go. So yeah, Rajasthan in the next video. So we are still 1.5 hour away from our hotel. 93 kilometers still left. It's been 651 kilometers since we left from our homes this morning, and our buttocks are done for. Literally, our buttocks are done. You won't see him right now, but just as I started recording, Tejas was standing, he sat down. And him standing on that Apache is something that you need to witness at least once. Like, how can you saddle a super sport? You learn from this guy. Should we give him a standing flyby? Yeah, let's do it. Hey, boy. Standing feels so good, man. So good. My buttocks are thanking me for standing.